Good day, sir. I am Justin Pasa from BSN Prep 2B, and today I will be discuss about the innovative company of Apple. So, Apple Incorporated is one of the most successful innovative technology companies in the world. It was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in the United States. Apple creates popular devices like iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch, as well as service like iCloud, the App Store, and Apple Music. Apple is known for its creativity, a high quality product, and unique ecosystem that makes all its devices work perfectly together. This ability and to innovate has made Apple a leader in the tech industry. So about the uh, this is about the mind map overview, and I will explain it. And barriers to entry. Apple faces both internal and external challenges. So in the internal barriers, it include high cost for research development because Apple always aim to create new and advanced technology. It also depends on key suppliers for special components like chips and screen. So in the external barriers, Apple competes with strong brands like Samsung and Google. It also deals with patent and legal issues which can slow down its progress. So about number two, to product and service innovation, Apple stand out because of its unique ecosystem where devices like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac work seamlessly together. For example, you can start a task on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac. And it also leads in technology with features like the M1 chip, which makes their devices faster and more efficient, and Face ID, which improves like security. Apple's focus on sustainability by using recycled material is also a key innovation. And number three, uh, the target customers. Apple main customer include tech savvy individual, student, professional, and creative people like designer and musician. It also provides tools for businesses and organization to improve the productivity. And number four is the customer journey. Uh, Apple ensures a smooth customer experience, so it has customer learn about Apple through ads or recommendation. They visit to an Apple store either in person or online, explore the products, and after purchasing, they often join Apple ecosystem by using service like iCloud or Apple Music, which keeps them loyal to the brand. So in number five, uh, areas for expansion, it Apple continues to innovate and expand, and it is working on new products like AR and VR devices, including Vision Pro headset. Apple entering emerging market for India and Brazil, where affordable devices can attract customers. It also exploring healthcare technology with the Apple Watch, which has health monitoring features like ECG and blood oxygen tracking. Oh, how Apple can help my district? Apple innovation can bring many benefits to my district. For example, iPad can improve education by giving students access to digital learning tools, and iPhone can help us small business grow through better product marketing and communication. iCloud can solve storage problem, while Apple ecosystem can improve productivity for students and workers. Apple's focus on Sustainability can also inspire local businesses to adopt eco-friendly practices. That's all, sir. Thank you.